loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily and today we're going to be building 15 chic workwear looks, but here's the twist. We're only going to be using 3 different bottoms. So this is all about maximising your wardrobe without breaking the bank. So if you're tired of feeling like you've got nothing to wear to work, then this video is for you because it's going to give you endless inspiration. We're starting with the black trousers. These ones are tailored, high-waisted with a clean straight leg that are flattering and perfect for the office. Next up we have the stone-coloured H&M trousers. These are also high-waisted but with a soft pleat going down the centre of the leg. They're comfortable but still structured. finally we have the black satin midi skirt, the perfect blend of feminine and professional. The material drapes beautifully without clinging, and the midi length makes it office appropriate. And that is everything from today's workwear haul. I hope you found a few outfit ideas that make getting dressed for work that little bit easier. Let me know in the comments which look you would wear to the office, and if you have any go-to pieces you'd like me to style in my next video. If you did like today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button. It really helps me with my channel. It's completely free to do, and you can unsubscribe at any point. But thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you next video.